Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, just got my AirPods Pro after 1 month or 2 months of waiting. I finally got it. I picked it up. AirPods Pro. Pretty cool. I got engraving on it. These are my old ones. So yeah. Old ones. New ones. Let's unbox it. This is the paperwork. They don't have Apple stickers, just information that we don't need. And then I got my AirPods engraved with my name. First time ever getting something engraved. Oof. What else is in the box? Oh yeah, it comes with USB-C to Lightning cable. That's new. And it comes with the tips, extra tips, or like the different sizes. I probably won't be needing those. This is cool. I kind of want to use this to charge my phone. Sorry about that. Pretty cool. I'll probably use this. Alright. Let's connect my phone to it. Ooh. AirPods Pro connect. Media control. Press the volume slider to view additional controls for noise cancellation. Announce message with Siri. I got AirPods Pro number 2. Oh, I connected the demo ones. I tried them on at the Apple store and then I still have them connected to my phone. So yeah. These are the AirPods Pro. Let's put them in the ears and test them out. Whoa. They look so tiny. Wow. Let's put them in. Wow. Let's do the other one. That's the, oh my God. Noise cancellation is so different. Oh my God. Wow. Up. I can hear myself. Transparency. I can hear myself and the music. Now I can't hear anything. Everything's silent. Alright, so yeah. Pretty cool. That's it for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And see you in the next video. Peace out. These are comparing the new ones to the old ones. The Generation 1. The original ones. The new ones are smaller. The old ones are bigger. Pretty. You can't really notice them that much. Because these were taller and then these ones smaller. The case is, I think, bigger. About the same, but a little bit bigger. But they open like this. And these open like this. They have a different sound. Yeah, pretty cool. I love them. I'll be using them all the time. So yeah, that's it. I'll be making a review after I use them for a day or two, and then tomorrow I'll make a review with them. So yeah, peace out.